Hi friends, welcome to our math talk for April 21st, 2020. It's a Tuesday. Today we're going to look at this picture here of donuts. Very exciting. We're going to ask in this math talk this morning, how many different fractions can you write to talk about the donuts? Can you write a fraction for just the donuts that are circles compared to all the donuts, including this line one? What fraction of the donuts are circles versus all the donuts? Or could you write a fraction for the ones that are colored green versus all the donuts? Remember, the fraction has to include the number on bottom being all of the donuts, and then the number on top being just the number you want to talk about, like just the green ones or just the long one. How many fractions can you write for this group of donuts? If you want to think of more ways, go ahead and pause the video and so you don't have to hear me talk about it and you can talk with yourself or your parents about it. But I'm going to go ahead and share my fractions that I figured out. I need to know how many donuts there are here all together, the whole group, so I can find the fraction of donuts. So I have 4 circles. There's 3 rows of 4. 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows of 4, which means that that's 12 donuts because 3 rows of 4 equals 12 donuts plus 1 donut over here. So I actually did the math this way. I did 3 rows of 4 first, in parentheses. I figured out the circle donuts first. Then I did plus 1 because there's 1 long donut over here, 1 bar donut. So plus 1. I did 3 times 4 plus 1, which is 12 plus 1. Which means I have 13 donuts here. That's my total. So I'm going to keep that number 13 up in the corner because every fraction I write has to be the total out of 13 total. I'm going to first think about how many green donuts there are. So I'm going to draw a group just around my, there we go, green donuts. There we go. So now I have the grouping of just the green donuts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the donuts are green or have green sprinkles. So I'm going to write that the green, I'm going to do this in green, is 6 out of 13 total donuts are green. Because I have 6 green donuts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of 13 total donuts. You could do the same thing to count up how many of them are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 13 of the donuts are purple. So 6 out of 13 are purple. And how many of the donuts are a bar? Well, just 1 of the donuts is a bar, so there's only 1 out of 13 donuts are long. Yeah. You could also maybe say how many of the donuts are circles. So there are 6 green plus 6 purple, so that means 12 out of 13 of the donuts are circles, and 1 out of 13 is long. Did you find any different types of fractions to write about in this math talk? I bet you guys can think of a lot of different ways to sort these into fractions. Good job!